everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me Akshara and happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers out there. Today I'm going to be making a beautiful Mother's Day greeting card which you can make for your mother. So before we start the video, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and you press the bell icon just beside it so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And like this video and share it with your friends and family. Now let's get started with the video. First, fold a paper in half and glue a darker piece of that color paper underneath it. Glue the excess paper to the back to cover it. Next, draw clouds on a white paper and cut them out. Add double-sided tape on the back. Cut 4 hearts from color papers. Glue them onto each other and make a 3D heart. Make another heart of the same sort and glue them onto the paper. Next, draw baskets like it's a hot air balloon and they have to be hanging down from the hearts. You can add bows and lights to them to make it look cuter. Stick the clouds that you have made a while ago. And then write a caption. I wrote Happy Mother's Day as it's the occasion of Mother's Day. And you're done with your Mother's Day greeting card. You can write your own captions inside. Thanks for watching, and once again Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. And again, please do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and have pressed the bell icon and like this video, and please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.